Behind the iconic golden arches lies a sophisticated real estate machine. McDonald's franchise economics is a complex system of land ownership and rent. The company's real estate holdings are a key component of its business model. Franchisees pay rent to McDonald's for the right to operate a restaurant. This rent is a significant source of revenue for the company. McDonald's also owns the land and buildings for many of its locations. This allows the company to control the property and collect rent. The franchise model provides operating leverage for McDonald's. Franchisees are responsible for the day-to-day operations of the restaurant. McDonald's focuses on managing the brand and collecting rent from franchisees. The company's real estate holdings are a major contributor to its revenue. The golden arches are a symbol of a successful business model that extends beyond food. McDonald's franchise model originated from a simple concept of replication. Brothers Richard and Maurice McDonald developed a system to serve food quickly. Ray Kroc, a salesman, discovered their efficient model and joined the team. Kroc eventually bought the rights to the McDonald's concept and expanded it. Franchising allowed McDonald's to grow rapidly, with new locations opening nationwide. Each franchisee paid a fee to use the McDonald's name and operating system. McDonald's also collected rent from franchisees, generating additional revenue. The company's real estate holdings grew as it acquired land for new locations. Franchisees were required to lease their properties from McDonald's, ensuring control. McDonald's used its vast real estate portfolio to negotiate favorable lease terms. By owning the land, McDonald's maintained operating leverage over its franchisees. Analysis suggests this strategic approach contributed to McDonald's real estate success. McDonald's strategic land ownership approach generates significant revenue streams annually. Franchisees pay rent to McDonald's, creating a steady income source for the company. By controlling the land, McDonald's exerts influence over franchise operations and decisions. Analysis suggests this operating leverage contributes to McDonald's real estate success. Franchise contracts often include rent provisions, ensuring consistent cash flow. McDonald's real estate portfolio includes suburban retail plazas and urban locations. Data centers supporting McDonald's operations also contribute to its real estate holdings. Startup teams have analyzed McDonald's franchise model for insights into scalable business strategies. Commercial real estate signs featuring the golden arches symbolize the brand's presence. Restaurant lease paperwork and franchise contracts outline the terms of these agreements. McDonald's real estate machine relies on a complex interplay of land ownership and rent collection. Experts continue to study the company's franchise economics and operating leverage for lessons in business strategy. McDonald's utilizes advanced data analytics to optimize restaurant operations daily. Franchise owners rely on this data to streamline their business processes effectively. Real estate portfolio management is also enhanced through technology integration. Commercial property values are closely monitored to maximize rental income. Restaurant lease agreements are carefully crafted to ensure consistent revenue. Franchise contracts outline specific terms for land use and royalty payments. Data center servers store and process vast amounts of operational data securely. Startup teams develop innovative solutions to improve customer experience constantly. Artificial intelligence is applied to predict market trends and optimize pricing. Cloud-based systems enable seamless communication between franchise owners globally. Operational efficiency is a key focus area for McDonald's real estate strategy. By leveraging technology, McDonald's maintains a competitive edge in the market. McDonald's operating leverage is a key factor in its real estate success story. By owning the land and collecting rent, the company generates significant revenue. Franchisees pay a percentage of their sales to McDonald's, creating a steady income stream. This business model allows McDonald's to maintain control over its brand and operations. The company's real estate portfolio is a major contributor to its overall profitability. McDonald's uses data analytics to optimize its restaurant locations and layouts. Technology plays a crucial role in the company's ability to manage its vast real estate holdings. Scalability is a major advantage for McDonald's, as it can quickly expand into new markets. The company's real estate strategy is a prime example of operating leverage in action. McDonald's ability to balance its property ownership with franchisee relationships is a key strength. The Golden Arches are a symbol of a sophisticated business model that drives profitability. Ultimately, McDonald's real estate machine is a testament to the power of strategic planning and execution. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.